Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw money from your eToro account. I'll explain how to withdraw from your regular USD investment account, and also how to withdraw from your GBP or EUR eToro money account. Let's get started. To withdraw from your eToro USD investment account, first make sure the amount you want to withdraw is available in your balance. Once that's confirmed, click on the Withdraw Funds button in the left-hand menu. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw and click Next. You will now see your withdrawal details along with your default payment method. If you want to use a different method, click on Other Payment Options. You can choose from the payment methods you've used before or add a new one. After reviewing all the details, click Submit and your withdrawal request will be sent. That's all you need to do. If you're withdrawing from your GBP or your eToro Money account, simply open the eToro Money app. Go to your balance, tap on Withdraw, choose the bank account you want to send money to, enter the amount, and confirm. Your funds will be transferred to your bank depending on standard processing times. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from both types of eToro accounts. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.